Clear!
We are full of fuel and we're ready to go. We're headed to Packwood, which is an airport on the other side of Mount Rainier. Spanaway traffic, Cessna, November 5853 Alpha, taking off from my 34. We'll be headed to the east, Spanaway. Okay, here we go. We are heavy. And off! Oh God. Well, just so you know, we got this this guy in this plane down here.
Oh God.
I don't really know who he is.
Following us for miles.
I heard his name's Duffel, but... Look at the beauty of Rainier and all of her majesty.
Wow, it's so amazing.
Alright, starting under descent here. Forward a little bit. 130 knots.
Damn, we're dipping.
Yeah.
We need to slow this down.
Wow. Alright, airport information, please. Switching to Packwood's frequency. Check. Packwood area traffic, Cessna November 5853 Alpha, 3 miles, descending. We're to the west. We're going to be full stop landing to Packwood.
White Blue Skyhawk left downwind 19 right now. Looks like the wind front is actually favoring runway 1 by just a little bit, so I'm going to continue on 19, but folks further out might want to consider runway 1.
Packwood traffic, 53 Alpha flight of 2. We're going to take 1. We'll wait for you to be clear, then we're going to do a 180 to enter the long final. Does the Cherokee have the Cessna in sight? We're at your 11 o'clock low.
All right, I don't know where the guy doing the 360s. I was going to turn around and follow him. I'm at the mouth narrowing of the valley right now, just west of the field.
Okay, I'm on final now, behind the sports store, about 1.5 miles behind him.
I'm going to make a left 180 and follow you. I still don't have the other guy who was previously 5 to the west.
Damn.
White Blue Skyhawk's about probably the west making a 180.
Packwood traffic, Cessna 412, I'm following, someone's flying downwind, long downwind from 01.
I'll take it.
Packwood traffic, white and blue skyline will be following a Cessna just coming into the valley opening here. We're going to be turning to the north pretty soon, Packwood traffic.
Packwood traffic, Cessna 53 Alpha, rolling, runway 1. We're about to make a right turn off at the numbers on 19, Packwood.
So Cherokee on downwind, I see 2 pictures,
Wow.
3 planes, runway on.
Wow.